Welcome back. In our last lesson, we learned what happens when the letter D teams up with the vowels A, E, I, O, or U. We know that the letter D can team up with the A to say da or they. The letter D can team up with the E to say da or D. The letter D can team up with the I to say di or die. The letter D can team up with the O to say da or do. The letter D can team up with the U to say da or do or do. Today, you will be learning how to read CVC words that start with the letter D. But first, let's hear the D song one more time. Now it's time for the letter D song. The D and the A said da. The D and the A said da. But when the dentist fixed his teeth, the D and the A said day. The D and the E said da. The D and the E said da. But when the dentist fixed his teeth, the D and the E said D. The D and the I said di. The D and the I said di. But when the dentist fixed his teeth, the D and the I said die. The D and the O said da. The D and the O said da. But when the dentist fixed his teeth, the D and the O said do. The D and the U said da. The D and the U said da. But when the dentist fixed his teeth, the D and the U said do and do. Today, I am going to share with you a short story that will help you learn how to read CVC words that start with the letter D. The letter D is a da, d, da, d, dad that was called into the Valdine office because his daughter got in trouble. The A dean said his daughter was doing the da, b, da, b, dab all day long. The letter E dean said that she made fun of da, b, da, b, dub for living on a da, oo, da, oo, dough. The letter I, Dean, said that she did a terrible thing. She made her friends dig, dig, dig a hole in the playground. The letter O, Dean, said that she brought a dog, dog, dog to school and painted a da, dot on it. The letter U, Dean, said that she g, da, g, dug a hole so deep that you could fit a donkey in it. When they called her in to the office, she said she did, did, did not do all of those terrible things. Who do you believe? The dean or the daughter?